All right, this is Hannah, and what's the book you're going to read?
Biscuit visits
The what?
Big city.
Very good. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Here we are, Biscuit. Woof, woof.
Where?
We're in the big city. We're going to visit our friend Jack. Woof, woof, coo, coo. Woof, woof.
Okay.
I'm getting too heavy.
You are. Okay, what is this?
Stay with me, Biscuit. It's very busy in the big city. Woof, woof. There are lots of tall buildings.
Whoa.
In the big city, Biscuits.
What is this one?
Woof.
That's all right.
There are lots of people too. Woof, woof. Funny puppy. You want to say hello to everyone. Stay with me, Biscuit. It's very busy in
No, it's very busy.
here.
That's right.
Woof, woof.
All right.
Beep, beep. Woof. It's only
Okay.
a big bus. Biscuits.
Okay. Now here.
Woof, woof. You found the fountain, Biscuits. Biscuits.
Yeah, it's just one. Okay, go ahead.
There's
Yeah.
so much to see in the big city.
No, isn't
there biscuits?
Hannah, you're saying biscuits. Okay, ready? Here.
Woof! Coo! Coo! Woof! Woof! Coo! Coo! Woof! 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 Oh, no. Biscuit. Where?
No.
Come back. Biscuit. Where are you going?
Very good. You got going that time. Okay.
Woof.
So,
Silly puppy. Here you are.
what did he want?
A hot
He wanted
dog.
a hot dog.
He was just running for a hot dog.
He was. And what does that say? Do you know what word that is? Jack's. Jack's snacks.
Jack's.
Okay. Almost done.
The ear.
No, this. Goodness gracious. Okay. This.
This
Mhm.
is
Mhm.
a big dizzy.
Mhm. What are you doing? What's this word?
Zitty.
Mhm. Okay, let's finish. We're almost done.
Biscuit.
What is that word? What's that word?
Laughing.
Okay, we're almost done. What is this one? What is it? You keep looking at yourself. What is this word? Let's finish. Hannah, let's finish, baby. No, but
you found
mhm.
our friend Jack in
Some new
friends too. Coo. Oof.
The end. Say
The
the
end.
end.
The end, baby camera.
Mwah.